Meaning of goods and chattels.
Goods and chattels.
Goods and chattels.
Goods and chattels.
Goods and chattels. Goods and chattels is a legal term that refers to all personal property of an individual, including movable belongings such as furniture, jewelry, clothing, and vehicles. It is often used in legal documents like wills or property transactions to describe the entirety of a person's possessions. The term originated from English common law and has been adopted by many other legal systems around the world. In essence, goods and chattels refers to all property that is not considered real estate or land. In summary, goods and chattels is a legal term used to describe an individual's personal property, encompassing all movable possessions other than real estate.